Welcome back, everyone. Today we're gonna make some beef quesadillas, and we're gonna spice it up with some habaneros, and I have everything pre-cut as usual. Maybe one day when my dicing skills improve, I'll do some more dicing. Let's get started on these habanero beef quesadillas.
First, going to place the tortilla on a hot pan, and I'm going to flip it and now cook the other side. I kind of cook both sides just a little bit. Anyways, we're going to place the cheese onto the tortilla. Remember, this is a steak quesadilla, so be very generous with the cheese. Now I'm placing the steak onto the quesadilla, and I like my steak medium rare because it's more taste that way, and it's softer, if you know what I mean. Next, we're gonna add some white onions. There we go, looking good. Now we're gonna add some taco seasoning. So whatever your favorite taco seasoning, add it to your steak quesadilla, just like so. Next, we're gonna add some tomatoes, diced tomatoes. Looking pretty good, everyone. Now we're gonna add our diced habaneros. I de-seeded it, but you don't have to. And now we're gonna add a little cilantro. Who doesn't love cilantro? Now we're gonna add some more cheese. You can use Swiss cheese, you can use mozzarella cheese, or you can use cheddar cheese. Now fold the quesadilla. In this part, you're just gonna make sure you gotta get all the cheese in the quesadilla. See, this piece is out, so I'm gonna flip that in, and right there. So you're just gonna push down and have the cheese melt. Flip it, a minute, until it's nice and crispy and all the cheese is melted. And there you go, everyone, steak quesadilla.
So let's cut these quesadillas up. Oh. I'll stand in the sink right there. You see that? It's pretty tasty. Some sour cream. Sorry, it's dripping everywhere, but it's pretty good. Super cheesy too. You see how thick that is, everyone? So I cooked the steak medium. So don't cook the steak too much, but cook it medium rare. And you saw how I layered it. Be very generous with the meat, the cheese. And yeah, dip it in some sour cream. I have some pico de gallo here. And this probably took me about 5 to 10 minutes. It's a very easy recipe to do at home. And yeah, so try this recipe at home. And I'm gonna enjoy this quesadilla. So have a great night, everyone. Like and subscribe. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, bye-bye.